Hello guys, welcome to the channel. How are you? Hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to tell you about 10 most iconic sports car of all times. If you are new to channel, please subscribe my channel and do like and comment if you like this video. So let's go. So in our top 10 lists, our 10th car is Jaguar E-Type. So basically this is the British sports car and that was manufactured by Jaguar Cars Ltd and it is created between 1961 and 1974. And the top speed of this Jaguar E-Type is 241 km per hour. This is the top speed of Jaguar E-Type and it's complete 0 to 100 in 7 seconds only. That's why it's a sports car. One more fact about this car is the weight of this car is only 1315 kg and the car seating capacity is 2 peoples only. So our ninth car is Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is the lightweight 2-passenger sports car and it's manufactured by Mazda with a rear wheel drive layout. Basically Miata is the best two-seating sports car in the history and Miata has been marketed globally with around production exceed 1 million as of early 2016. And MX-5 the Miata was officially introduced in February 1989 at the Chicago Auto Show. Let's move to the next car. Our 8th car is Audi R8. Firstly, the price of Audi R8 is 2.7 CR. It's a sports car and key specs of Audi R8 is the engine capacity of R8 is 5204 cc, 5204 cc and it's produced 602.0 bhp. It's come with the automatic transmission and the mileage is about 5.7 kmpl. It's a very low mileage vehicle and it's come with a petrol variant and sitting capacity is also 2 peoples and it produce max torque about 560 Nm. Our 7th car is Nissan GT-R. The price range is about 2.17 CR. It's a very high price and the engine specs is about 3798 cc, 3798 cc and it's produced 562 bhp and it's come with the automatic transmission. The fuel type is petrol and it is the first car that produce in sports 4 sitting capacity. Yes, it is the first sports car that come with sitting capacity is 4. It produce max torque about 637 Nm. Our 6th car is Ford Mustang Sell by GT500. So guys, this is the most powerful car made by Ford and it's produced 760 HP. Guys, this is the monster. So Mustang Sell by GT500 come with a 7.2 liter cc engine and it's produce 625 Nm torque and it reach 0 to 100 in only 5 seconds. Guys, this is seriously a monster. Hope you all guys enjoy this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for this amazing content. Please subscribe. Let's jump to the next car. Our 5th car is Chevrolet Corvette. The price range of Chevrolet is 50 lakh and the engine capacity is 6161 cc, 6161 cc and it produced the maximum 638 bhp horsepower. It's amazing and it's come with the automatic transmission and it's a sports car and the mileage is about 10.5 kmpl. It's a good mileage according to sports car. Its fuel type is petrol and the sitting capacity is 2 people only and it produces 819 Nm torque, 819 Nm torque and it is the highest till now and the fuel capacity is 65 liters. Our 4th car is BMW M3 and the price range of this BMW M3 is 60 to 70 lakhs. Let's talk about the key specs of BMW M3. The engine capacity is 3000 cc and the transmission is automatic. The mileage is about 11.86 kmpl. According to the time and technologies, the mileage is also increases, and the fuel type is petrol, and the sitting capacity of this BMW M3 is 5. This is the first car built in 5 seating capacity by BMW. The sitting capacity of this M3 is 5, but still its maximum torque is about 850 Nm, 850 Nm. It's very huge in this range. Our third car is Lamborghini Miura. The price range of this car is around 1.6 CR, and the engine capacity is 4 liter with natural aspirated V12. And this is not only the car, this is the super car. It produces maximum bhp around 360 and at the 9800 rpm. This is come up with the rear wheel drive, and Lamborghini produces only 764 units of this car. When this car is released, this is the fastest production road car at that time. The capacity of this car is 2-seated. This is a couple car, and its production in between 1966 and 1973. As I already told you, this is not the car, this is the super car, and the only competitor of this car is Ferrari 250. Let's move to the next car. Our second topmost car is Ferrari 250 GT. The price range of this Ferrari 250 GTO is 1.4 CR. The manufacturer company of this car is Ferrari, and the engine capacity of this car is 3000 cc, and it's come up with the 300 PS, 296 HP with maximum torque about 7500 rpm, and it produces the torque about 294 Nm, and it's come up with the manual transmission, the 5-speed manual transmission. And Ferrari produced only 36 units of this car. So our next most wanted car is, so finally our first car is Porsche 911. The price range of this car is 1.72 CR, and its fuel type is petrol, and the engine cc capacity is 4000 cc, and the power and torque of this car is 641 bhp, and it produces maximum torque is about 800 Nm. Seriously, it's a masterpiece. This is also not the car, this is the super car, and the top speed of this car is 330 kmph. I am really shocked. Hope you guys enjoy this video. For great content, please like, share and comment.